This is my biggest castle. It is taller than yesterday. No one can touch it.
Vroom!
Big truck. I drive castle. Fast! Fast! No! My castle! I told you not to touch it! I worked so hard. It took me all morning. You broke it.
Whoa there, speedy driver! You almost knocked the whole kingdom down! That was a fast move, buddy!
Sophia, it was an accident. He didn't mean to break it. He was just playing, honey.
It was mine. I built it. No one listened. Pink doll. I play too. Give me. No! This is mine! You always take my things. Hey, that's my doll! Sophia, give it back! I want my pink doll!
Hey, it's okay, sweetheart. Nobody is in trouble. We can share toys.
Mom always hugs Oliver first. Nobody saw my castle. I worked really hard. I was playing first. He always takes my toys. Nobody listens to me.
All right, let's all take a breath. Lunch is not a battlefield. It's a family table.
Oh no, my juice! I didn't mean to do it, Bob. It fell by itself.
Well, that juice wanted freedom. Looks like it escaped your glass. That happens to everybody, buddy.
They always laugh with him. Maybe I don't matter today. I think I should go play alone.
Bath time, kids! Come here, Sophia. The water is warm.
Splash, splash! Look, water jump! Big splash! Stop splashing! I do not want to sit here. I go outside.
Hey! Sophia, please wait a moment. Come sit with us.
I do not want bath. I want to be alone. Please.
Sophia, it's Dad. Can we talk? I am right here.
Dad? You love Oliver more. You always laugh with him. You love Oliver more.
Sophia, that is not true.
You say that, but you play with him. You never play with me. Just leave me alone. These are mine. No one can take them. Sophia? Are you in there? Can I come in? Sophia? Huh? It's me. Go away. I want to be alone. Just go. Sophia? You mad?
Oliver, what are you doing here? Is Sophia inside? Something is wrong. Sophia is very quiet today.
Oh? Snow?
Oh, wow, look at you! You made snow in the kitchen.
They laugh with him. Not with me.
Okay, kids, let's run to the tree. Go, go, go!
You can't catch me! Ow! It hurts! Mama! Oliver, Are you okay?
Oliver! Hey, what happened? Let me see.
Oh, Oliver! It's okay, Mama's here.
Let's see your knee. Oh, it's just a little scratch. You're okay, buddy. Brave boy.
He was running behind me. I just turned. I didn't push him. He just fell. I didn't push him.
Sophia, accidents happen. What matters is that we care.
Long day, huh? Everyone feels big things sometimes. But we stay a family.
Looks like someone is very tired. Time for bed, buddy.
Good night, little runner. Sophia, eat a little. Your food will get cold. It's okay, take your time.
Sophia. You are very quiet tonight. Are you okay?
Your hair is very messy tonight. Long days can make us tired. You can tell me anything.
Before Oliver, it was just me. I was here first.
Oh, Sophia. You feel left out. That must feel very hard. Sophia, listen to me. Love does not divide. My love grows bigger.
Love grows bigger. Maybe. Mom is right. Maybe. Mom? Mom? Where are you? Mom? 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 Where are you? Sophia? Oh? Mom here? Sophia? You mad? You mad? No. Mom is not here. Why are you not sleeping? You can have it. For you. Sophia? You, my best friend. Oliver. You are my best friend too. I'm sorry.
They love each other.
Sometimes, the smallest hearts teach us the biggest lessons.